We are walking for unity. We are walking for peace.
I am walking for the freedom of my country. Rise, rise.
It is for the unity and women's safety we are walking.
We are walking for harmony, for peace.
I am walking in this yatra for safety of women and justice for women.
नए भारत का एक निर्माण होगा, लोगों में जागृति आएगी, इसीलिए हम इसमें भारत जोड़ो यात्रा में चल रहे हैं।
I am working for economical equality.
हम इसके लिए चल रहे हैं क्योंकि हम अपने देश को महंगाई मुक्त भारत बनाना चाहते हैं और बेरोजगारी से मुक्ति चाहते हैं।
For my people,
I am walking in the Bharat Jodo Yatra for Bharat Jodo, Nafrat Jodo.
We are walking against unemployment.
We have to unite and protect the democracy. That's what we are walking.
I'm walking for the empowerment of women and to bring up our children to a better citizens.